This video, I'm going to show you how you can install the right JBL Headphones app. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. So because there are so many apps in Google Play Store or even App Store, you may be confused or wondering which is the right app for you to install. So if you are looking for JBL Headphones, then follow these steps to install the right one. First, I'll uninstall this app before we begin. Now, to install the app, you need to look for this app called Google Play Store or even App Store on your smartphone. And then because I'm on Android, I'll go to Google Play Store. Once you are logged in with your email, go to search here and search the app by name. So I just search JBL Headphones. And look at that, we have the only JBL Headphones app here. Make sure it is from Harman Consumer Incorporation. And at the time of recording this app had a star rating of 4.8 with 683,000 reviews. The file is quite big. It is around 149 MBs. So you need to have enough storage to download it. And currently this app has been downloaded over 10 million times, which means it has a big following. So if you see this information, then you will know that you have the right app. And this is the custom logo for this app currently. Now to get the app, just tap on install. And this will download the latest version of JBL Headphones app and then install it on your smartphone. Once the app has been installed, now you can open it from here, or if you go back to your apps, now you should see your JBL Headphones app here. Tap on it to launch. And this is the welcoming interface for the app. From here, you can now set up your account or log in to your current account to start using JBL Headphones app. So if you have any other questions, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.